Jesus freak here. And I was going to do this on Thursday, but something went wrong with the order. It wasn't their fault. Something went wrong when they were packing the shipment. Now let's see if things went better this time. This is why they call them United Parcel Smashers. Alright. And they got the order right this time. Now to give you an idea of what we're looking at. And some of this stuff I'm also going to test out on camera. A little blown out. This is an ordinary bottle of Tabasco. Bought from an ordinary supermarket in Niagara Falls, Ontario. This is Chipotle Tabasco. Again, bought from an ordinary supermarket, this one in Niagara Falls, New York. And I'm going to compare those. Get these out of the way because Neil's going to be a bit upset if I don't have her space. I'll explain these. Now, ordinarily, I believe they ferment the pepper mash for, is it 3 years or 5? But for this version, they do it for 8. And they use fancier vinegar. And this among other things, probably to temper the heat because it's made with scorpion peppers. You thought ghost peppers were hot. The scorpion peppers are even hotter. So I'm going to try these out. Of course, not while I got a fur ball on my face. So, what I did is I cut some pieces of flour tortillas that I can use for testing. Now, I'm not using that original Tabasco bottle. I'm using this one, but I didn't show it because it's seen better days. The lid's been busted. This gives me a baseline. Now, Let's compare the Family Reserve. Which looks the camera blowing things out. It doesn't really help things, but it looks the same as regular. Taste is pretty similar, but there's a slight difference, and I think I didn't really notice it much because I didn't put that much on here. Let's try with a slightly larger dose. Yeah, it's like a drug. It has a slightly richer taste. That might be the vinegar difference. By comparison, this bottle has a wider mouth, and the sauce is a lot browner. Ooh. Let's stop that up. Chipotle is smoked jalapenos. The jalapenos aren't as hot as Tabasco peppers. It's a milder hot sauce, but there's a smoke flavor to it. Now, let's get this taste off my tongue before I grab the big guns. See, the substance that makes hot sauce hot, or hot peppers in general hot, doesn't wash off in water. It washes off in fat. So, bread and butter works a lot better than a drink of water, a drink of milk, or something. The salt cleanses the palate a bit. This is margarine, but cleanses the palate. Before I grab the big guns. You know, when it's black, you're seeing something that's a bit evil. So, alright, let's try this. This is tempered with guava, pineapple, and regular Tabasco, and sugar. So it's not quite going to be as hot as if it were a straight up scorpion sauce. But a lot of hot sauces are tempered. It's hard to find a ghost pepper sauce, for example, that's not tempered. And the one I used to use I can't find anymore. I haven't gotten to the Tabasco yet. There we go. There we go. It's definitely got more of a bite. It's got a bit of a smoky flavor, too. When I was a kid, this is how hot Tabasco tasted to me. It's enough that it would actually have me shooting steam out of my ears for a few minutes if I didn't do this. It's not intolerable. It's hot. $20 times? I don't know about 20 times. This is definitely as hot. When I was a kid, this stuff was about that hot. You get used to it. Jesus, freak out.